Hi, my name is Dickie. Today we're going to share with you a new recipe called the swing with chicken and rice, including the ingredient detail list and step-by-step cooking. And some of the variation will be helpful with different preference. And now Linda will help doing the presentation.
Hi, my name is Linda. Today we are sharing detailed and easy to follow cooking recipe for a delicious shrimp with pecan and rice dish. Include the necessary ingredients and their measurements, along with step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook the dish. It also provides helpful tips and variations to cater to different preferences. Concise directions for each cooking step to ensure the best results. Content ingredients: 1 pound shrimp, peeled and deveined, 1 cup rice, 2 cups chicken. For vegetable broth, 1 cup chopped pecans, 1/4 cup butter, 2 cloves garlic. Minced 1-2 teaspoons paprika, 1-2 teaspoons salt, 1-4 teaspoons black pepper, 1/4 cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons parsley. Chopped lemongrass for serving. Let's start cooking. 1. Let cook the rice. In a medium saucepan, bring the broth to a. Add the rice, reduce heat to low, cover, simmer for about 20 minutes. Or until the rice is cooked through and fluffy. 2. In a large skillet, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and cook for 1-2 minutes until fragrant. 3. Let prepare the shrimp to the skillet and sprinkle with paprika, salt, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. Cook the shrimp for 2-3 minutes per side until they are pink and opaque. Remove the shrimp from the skillet and set aside. 4. In the same skillet, toast the chopped pecans for 1-2 minutes until they are fragrant and lightly browned. 5. Add the cooked rice to the skillet with the pecans and stir to combine. 6. Add the cooked shrimp back to the skillet and toss everything together to heat through. 7. Sprinkle with chopped parsley and serve with lemon wedges on the side. Tips: you can use different types of nuts, such as almonds or walnuts instead of pecans for a different flavor. Now watch the video how it can be done. Now let's get cooking. Peeling the shrimp. Arrange the shrimp in 4. Place it on the tray. Prepare the cilantro and cut into small pieces. Place in a measuring cup with frozen margarita mix and pour on top of the shrimps. Marinate for 10 minutes. Add green pepper sauce and cream of coconut and Greek yogurt. Ground red pepper. Mix entire. Cooking spray. Apply the mix on top. Once cooked, place on a plate. Now prepare the dirty rice. Add baby spinach leaves. Add green pepper sauce. Add cilantro and pecan pieces. French fried onions. Place the stick of shrimp on the plate. Ready to serve. So good. Optional variations: substitute shrimp with chicken, tofu, or mushrooms. For a vegetarian option, use quinoa instead of rice. For a gluten-free version, add in other vegetables like zucchini, spinach, or broccoli. For extra nutrients, include different nuts like almonds or walnuts for added flavor. Online business ideas. 1. Meal kits. Create pre-portioned meal kits with all the ingredients needed for the shrimp with pecan and rice recipe. Include step-by-step instructions for customers to cook the dish at home. 2. Virtual cooking classes. Host online cooking classes where you teach participants how to make the shrimp with pecan and rice dish. Offer tips, tricks, and personal feedback to engage your audience. 3. Subscription service. Curate a monthly subscription box featuring different variations of the recipe, along with additional culinary surprises. Build a loyal customer base with recurring shipments. Marketing strategies. Utilize social media platforms to showcase the recipe, share cooking tips, and promote your online business. Partner with food bloggers or influencers to reach a wider audience. Offer discounts or promotions to attract new customers and encourage repeat purchases. Create engaging content such as recipe videos, blog posts, or live cooking demonstrations to keep your audience engaged. Engaging with customers through personalized experiences can lead to brand loyalty and positive word-of-mouth advertising.
Online business ideas. By leveraging a delicious recipe like shrimp with pecan and rice, aspiring entrepreneurs can tap into the online culinary market with innovative business ideas and a passion for food. Aim to inspire readers to create a wholesome dish that promotes overall well-being and healthy eating habits. Additionally, outline how one can leverage the recipe to start an online business, such as by offering meal kits or hosting virtual cooking classes. Happy learning and cooking at home. My mentor Dickie will teach how you can create detailed and appetizing recipes for your loved ones. And do it at home, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook each ingredient. Cooking your expertise in your home for an online business. For more information, contact Dickie at dickielim@gmail.com. Website https://plrsalesfunnel.com.